Hi, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and I'm here at our Stahls Hotronix heat press manufacturing facility in southwestern Pennsylvania. And I'm excited to announce that we've relaunched our 360 IQ hat press. This heat press completely reinvents the category of decorating headwear. I think you'll be excited to see how this can apply dimensional logos to hats without the scorch mark, making your life easier and allowing you to make more money in your business. Let's come in close and take a look at this press and how it works. To understand how the press works, we first need to look at our dual silicone platen, which is a patented feature on the press. This silicone platen heats the hat from underneath, allowing you to reach the heat-activated adhesive of these dimensional logos. It's a soft landing pad, and one platen size fits every single style of hat that's on the market, which is really exciting. The other great feature about this press is the Fusion IQ control board. This touchscreen controls tracks your production analytics and allows you to set your top heat and your bottom heat independently, and it triggers the press to open automatically when your application is complete. Let's load a hat to show you how to print. We'll begin by heat pressing one of our Flex style heat applied logos. We have a structured cap, which is one of the toughest styles to print out there in the market. I'm going to flip the sweatband out on this cap because it's a little bit thicker and just load it onto the press, locking in the hold down device to hold it flush. I have a nice flat printing surface and I'm prepared to place my graphic. No preheating is required because you're placing the logo right onto the heated surface. Hold it for a second, it will hold in place, and this heat press comes with 3 pads to help with application. I'm going to use the thin pad, which is an 1/8 inch thick, to cover my Flex style logo, and then I complete the heat application, pressing it for 25 seconds. My top heat is at 280 degrees with my bottom heat at 320 degrees. Upon conclusion, the press will automatically open. I'll remove the hat and then peel the backing from my logo. And there it is, a durable graphic with no marking whatsoever on the hat and no creases. It makes it so fast and easy. Let's move on to another style of application and another style of hat. This time, I'm going to show you one of my favorite applications, which is 3D embroidery. This is a very challenging process to complete, and you need expensive equipment to do it with. But with the 360 IQ, it's very easy. Again, we'll load the hat, lock down the hold down device, making sure it is flush, position my graphic, and this time I'm going to cover it with the medium thickness pad. The pad thickness should match the thickness of your logo, and 3D embroidery is a little more dimensional, so it gets this medium thickness cover. I'll adjust the time setting to 60 seconds for this application through my touchscreen controls, and once that's set, I will lock the machine down. And that's the magic recipe, a nice clean dimensional result. Your customer will not even be able to tell that it's not sewn on to the hat. Extremely durable as well. For the last application, let's load an unstructured cap and show you how to heat apply a leather patch. Again, one platen on the 360 IQ does it all. No changing of platens, it fits nice and flat. Position your design. This time, because the leather patch is a little bit thinner, I'll cover it with the thin pad, and I'll heat apply this for the 25-second application. And that hat is done. Let's take a look at the completed results. So as you can see from this short demonstration, the Hotronix 360 IQ solves a lot of the challenges with heat printing headwear, and it also opens the door to new opportunities. We've been able to demonstrate this machine live for thousands of decorators. All of these machines represent the pre-orders that are shipping out as we speak. So get on the list. Invest in the latest technology in heat printing, the Hotronix 360 IQ.